In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email signature in Pipedrive CRM. Having a clear professional email signature is a small detail that makes a big difference. It helps your contacts know exactly who you are, how to reach you, and it keeps your communication consistent across your entire sales process. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your email signature inside Pipedrive, step by step, so that it appears automatically every time you send an email from the platform. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and you're on the main dashboard. Look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area, usually represented by your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile picture. This opens a small drop-down menu with various account and settings options. From this menu, choose the option labeled Personal Preferences. This is where Pipedrive keeps all the settings tied specifically to your user account, including things like language, notifications, and of course, email settings. Clicking Personal Preferences will open a new page or panel with a list of options on the side. Next, within your personal preferences, look for the section called Email Sync. This is where you manage how your email connects to Pipedrive, and it also contains the tools for setting your signature. Click on Email Sync to open those settings. If you haven't connected your email yet, you may see prompts or options to do that, but for now, we're focusing on the signature area. Inside the Email Sync section, look for a button or link that says Add Signature. Click that, and you'll see a text editor appear. This is where you create your email signature. You can type in your name, job title, company, and any relevant contact details like your website or a general company phone number. You can also add links, for example, to your website or social profiles, using the Editor's Link option. Take a moment to format your signature so it's clean and easy to read. Keep it concise and professional, and avoid adding sensitive information. When you're happy with how it looks, scroll down if needed and click the Save button. This will store your signature and apply it automatically to outgoing emails you compose within Pipedrive. Once saved, you're all set. Your new email signature will now appear whenever you send emails from Pipedrive, helping you maintain a consistent and professional image in all your communication.